Hi guys, this is Mindy with VitalPath. I just wanted to give you a brief kind of tutorial on how to use our little bands that we have here, kind of what you can do with these if you were ever to see them in the hospital, if you were ever to come across one at home, kind of just some quick little tips and tricks. So first we can put this on our ankles. Okay, we always want to keep tension on that band, so we don't ever want to bring those feet back together where we lose that tension. So keeping tension, slight bend in those legs, keeping our torso really controlled, and we're just going to sidestep. Okay, we're going to target our hips here. We can go 10 each direction. From there we can do some leg lifts, so you're going to lean onto one leg and lift, doing 10 here, swapping to the other side there. If you want to go 10 more here, we can bring that up at or above your knees, and we can do our same side steps. So here we can get bigger steps, but keeping that tension so we're not losing it, coming both directions, keeping that torso in control. We also can squat with this. So the purpose of that band is reminding us to drive our knees out against it. So when we squat, we're coming all the way down, driving those knees out, standing tall every single time, all the way down, all the way up. Okay, so really good things we can do with our legs with that band. We can take it and move it up top and put it on our wrists. We can do some pulls here, get those shoulders activated. We can take it overhead, pull here to get those shoulders activated. We can take it like a bow and arrow and pull back here, really opening up those shoulders. And again here, opening up those shoulders. So lots of good things. You probably could even research even more on YouTube or the internet of more good things, but those are just some quick tips we can use this for.